You're doing cold email outreach right now, there's a 90% chance your emails aren't even being seen. And I don't mean people are ignoring them. I mean they're literally never reaching the inbox. No one ever saw them. All that time you spent writing, researching, and sending, gone. Into a spam folder nobody checks. But here's the thing, cold email outreach is not dead. The way most people do it is dead. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what's broken, how to fix it, and what the real cold email system actually looks like when it's working. Okay, so why does cold email outreach fail for most people? It comes down to 4 things. And if you're not getting replies right now, I bet money at least 2 of these are happening to you. Problem 1. Your list is dirty. Most people skip list hygiene completely. They grab a CSV file from somewhere, upload it, and start blasting. But the list is full of bad emails, fake addresses, old contacts, people who left the company 2 years ago. Every time you send to a bad email and it bounces, your sender reputation takes a hit. Do that enough times, and email providers like Gmail and Outlook start treating everybody you send as suspicious. Your good emails stop landing too. This is why you need to use an email verification tool before you even load a list into a campaign. Tools like Quick Email Verification, Never Bounce, or Zero Bounce run your list through one of those first. Remove the bad ones. Now, one step alone will improve your deliverability dramatically. You have no warm-up. If you created a new email account and you're about to start sending cold email outreach at volume, stop. Seriously, stop right there. Email providers watch new accounts closely. If you go from 0 emails to 200 a day overnight, get flagged immediately. It looks like spam behavior because it is spam behavior by their standards. You have to warm that inbox up first. Start slow. 10 emails a day, then 20, then 50. Build up over 2 to 4 weeks. Let the inbox establish a sending history before you go full volume. Problem 3. Everyone is hitting the same email list. Here's something most people don't think about. When you buy a lead list or scrape the same database everyone else is using, you're reaching people who have already been emailed by 10 other people this week running the same pitch. They're annoying. They're unsubscribing. They're clicking spam. And now you're in that same pile. The best cold email outreach targets people who haven't been over contacted, fresh leads, new businesses, a niche list that most people aren't even looking at. The less saturated your audience, the better your results every time. Problem 4. You send one email and give up. This one is huge. One email does not work. It never has. Studies consistently show that the majority of replies in a cold email outreach sequence come from the second, third, or even fourth follow-up, not the first email. Most people send that first email, get no reply, and assume the person isn't interested. But maybe they were busy. Maybe they meant to reply and forgot. Maybe the timing was just off. A well-timed follow-up is not annoying. It's expected. It shows you're serious. If your sequence is just one email, you're leaving most of your potential replies on the table. What actually works? So now let's talk about what a real cold email outreach system looks like. Step 1. Build a targeted list the right way. Don't just buy a generic list. Get specific. Know exactly who you're going after. Job title, industry, company size, location. The tighter you're targeting, the better your results. There are tools out there that let you pull verified business emails from B2B social media filtered by all of those criteria. You can use Rubedo AI, link in the description. Try it for free. You can find emails by uploading a list of company domains and letting the tool enrich that data for you. Or if you have a name and a company, this email finder tool can track down the address from the email pattern the company uses. The point is, build your own list, specific, fresh. Don't rely on recycled database. Step 2. Verify before you send. Always, no exceptions. Run every list through an email verifier before it goes into a campaign. This protects your sender reputation and keeps your bounce rate low. Low bounce rate means better deliverability. Better deliverability means more people actually see your emails. It's that simple. Step 3. Warm up your inbox. Use an inbox warm-up tool or do it manually if you're starting from scratch. Give yourself 2 to 4 weeks before you start pushing real volume. Not exciting, but it's what separates people who gets results from people who wonder why nothing works. Step 4. Write emails that sound human. This is where most cold email outreach falls apart, even when everything else is set up right. People write emails that sound like a press release. Long subject lines, formal language, 3 paragraphs about the company before they even say what they want. Nobody reads that. Write short emails. Get to the point. Make it about them, not you. A good cold email outreach message is 2 to 4 sentences max in the first touch. Tell them who you are, why you're reaching out, what you want. That's it. No fluff. Subject lines should feel personal and curiosity driven. Writing quick question can still outperform most clever subject lines. Keep it simple. Step 5. Build a follow-up sequence. At minimum, 3 to 5 touches over 2 to 3 weeks. Each follow-up should be short, reference the previous email, and add a tiny bit of new information or angle. Don't just say just following up. Give them a reason to respond. Case study, a result, a question, something. Automate this. You should not be manually sending follow-ups. There are platforms like Rubedo AI that handle this entirely. You write the sequence once, set the timing, and it runs on its own until someone replies. When they reply, the sequence stops automatically. Clean and professional. And let's talk about the actual tools that run the system. You're going to need a few things working together. For lead generation, you need something that lets you build targeted lists from real sources, not recycled databases. Think B2B social media extraction, domain enrichment tools, and email finder tools that build contacts from a name and company. The goal is fresh, specific, verified contacts. One platform I use for this is Rubedo AI, link in the description. It handles lead generation across multiple sources. You can pull B2B contacts from social media filtered by job titles and industry. Enrich a list of domains to find decision maker emails, or use the email finder to locate a contact from just their name and company. It also has a daily feed of brand new businesses that just registered domain. Over 100,000 fresh leads every single day. That alone is a huge edge for cold email outreach. For email verification, this is separate. Use something like Never Bounce or Zero Bounce. Run your list through that before it ever goes into a campaign. For sending and sequences, you want a platform that connects to your own SMTP, handles automated follow-ups, tracks opens and replies, and stops the sequence the moment someone responds. Rubedo AI has this built in. You connect your own email sender, build your sequence, and it runs on autopilot. It also has an inbox warm-up feature built into the sequence tool, which helps with deliverability from day one. So the stack looks like this. Targeted list built with Rubedo AI, verified with a separate tool, loaded into Rubedo AI sequences, sent through your own SMTP with warm-up running, and follow-ups automated. That's the full system. When this is all dialed in, here's what changes. Your emails land in the inbox instead of spam. Your open rates go up. Your reply rates go up. And because your follow-up is automated, you're not leaving conversations on the table anymore. You wake up to replies. Meetings get booked without you manually chasing anyone. Leads come in from your website while you're focused on other things. Cold email outreach done right is still one of the highest ROI activities in sales and marketing. The people saying it's dead are the ones doing it wrong. Focus on the fundamentals first. Clean list, warmed up inbox, human sounding emails, and a follow-up sequence that runs automatically. Get those 4 things right, and you will see a difference. If you want to check out Rubedo AI for the lead generation and sequence side of this, go to the link below. There's a free trial, no credit card required. Go test it yourself. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I put out content like this every week. And drop a comment below telling me where you're stuck with your cold email outreach right now. I read all of them and I'll answer you.